Okay, the date is the 9th of June 2021. This is the last take is the third here in this residential building on Punavuorenkatu, red lights Gotham 11. This is take A, and we have been in this take is B and C. It's both official languages, Swedish, this is. And for some strange reason, the year is not available in this one. I think it was not available in the Stekis B either, but in Stekis C it's 1961, early 1961. So possibly all of them are 1961.
Yeah.
The serial number is H9892. With 6 floors. It's going to be inspected in this year 2021, when it's nearly 60 years old. But I must have turned it in early 1961.
Yeah.
And this also in Swedish and Finnish inside. That's in Punavuorenkatu. It was very difficult to get inside.
Yeah.
Take a second.
Yeah. Spektiittää kiva, jos meitä yppää pääkonserviskeskus.
Päännöitsensä.
Yeah.
Must have been planned maybe in the late 1950s.
Yeah.
Mid or late 1950s. Ordered in 1958 or 59.
Yeah.
Maybe it was a bit late. But they did get this 96 this time.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please watch the steps B and C here. In the second C you can see the original year of construction, which is 1961.
That's
1961.